Removing unwanted objects from photos has never been easier. In this video, I'll show you how to remove any object from an image using AI. First, open Adobe Firefly in your browser. Allow the website to load completely before proceeding. Now, click on Create with Firefly. Once the website loads, go to the Edit option and select Object Remove from Photo. Now wait a few moments while Firefly opens the editing workspace. After the editor is ready, upload the image you want to edit. Here I've uploaded a sample image. Let's see how AI can transform this image in just a few clicks. It is perfect for beginners. Adobe Express makes photo editing simple, fast, and effortless. Sparkles. Wait for the upload process to complete. Adobe supports a wide range of image formats, making it easy to upload and edit almost any photo. Next, select the object or area you want to remove. Try to cover the entire object for the best results. You can customize the brush size based on the object you want to remove. Use a smaller brush for precise selection of small objects, or increase the brush size when working with larger areas. The unwanted object will be removed automatically. The best part is that you don't need any advanced editing skills. As you can see, I'm brushing over the unwanted area. Once everything is selected, click the Remove option. And here's the result. The unwanted object has been removed automatically. The edited image looks much cleaner and more professional. Click here to download your final edited image. If this tutorial helped you, follow Smart AI Hub for more AI tools, tips, and productivity hacks.